Welcome to this screencast on Sparking Creativity, App Smashing with Collage and Thinglink. Now, app smashing itself, if you've never heard of this process, is the process of using multiple apps to create a product. And then the process of app smashing itself allows for more creativity as your students express their understanding of content. So that's what I love about the app smashing process. Now, since like I said before, we're looking at two apps, Collage and Thinglink. And during a previous screencast, I did a quick tutorial on the basics of Collage. So you may need to revisit that screencast if you need a refresher on using Collage. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in by going to Thinglink because I've already done my Collage. I'm going straight into Thinglink. So I'm going to open my Thinglink app, and as you can see here, I'm already logged in. For you, especially if you're a first-time user, it's going to take you through the entire process. When you click this, it's going to say sign in. And you just sign in with your Google account, tap on it, and it will log you in automatically. And the first thing you're going to see, as a first-time user, is going to do like a lot of apps now, where it's going to take you through a process of understanding, a quick tutorial, where it's going to tell you to click here, click here, click here, and just kind of get you familiar with the dashboard and what the options are and what you can do in Thinglink. So itself, Thinglink, just to tell you a little bit about what it does, is that it allows you to enhance images by making them interactive with links and videos, notes, and other images. It can be used on any device, and today I'm using my iPad and the Thing app to create my project. So the first thing I'm going to do is tap here on that pancake in the top left-hand corner. If you click on that pancake, you'll access more options. So you'll see things from, they'll tell you some of the top Thinglinks of the day. You can look at some Thinglinks. You can even do a search of Thinglinks to give you an idea of how you could use it in the classroom or what others have done with it in their classroom. Now, Thinglink itself, you can go to, they have their own EDU section. So that will be what you want to check out. So these are some of the options there. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. We're going to start from here. So I'm going to begin my project, my smash, by clicking on this plus sign here, and I'm going to access my photo library, and I'm going to choose my Collage that I created earlier. So you'll notice the first thing that happens is that I have a little tag that pops up, and it gives me the options for adding text or media, because that's what I can do here. So I'm going to take this tag, and I'm going to move it where I want the user to tap on and get information from. So that's how it works. They're going to tap on that little tag, and my information will pop up for them to tell them more about the images in my Collage here. So the thing about it is I can click add text, and I can just say I may ask the kids to tell me, why did you choose this image? I chose a glass of water to represent a liquid. So once you create your tag, you tap in your text, and I can move it wherever I want. So now when I tap on it, you're going to see just how it would pop up for the person that's reading or using my Thinglink. And if I need to edit, I can always just go in, tap my pencil, make any changes I need to make, and then close out of it. So it's real easy to edit as well. You can also add media. So if I wanted to add a video, and I'm just going to choose one I have in my gallery. So any video I have, let's say I did a previous one here. I'm just going to use this video, and you'll see that it pops up in, and it gives me a tag of a circle with a triangle, the typical play button tag. Now, you'll also see that when I tap on it, I can actually edit my tags. I'm sorry. If I tap there, and you get some basic options here. You can use any of these from the top to the bottom as selections of tags. So it's not a lot because this is free, but it does give an option of choice for the student. All right, so I'm just going to cancel that. So I put a tag in here that I want. I've added my video here that I want to play here. Let's say that video was about the process that we went through in class, showing how that changed from a solid to a liquid, or how liquid changes to a solid, or how liquid can change to a gas. I may have them explain that. So, I mean, there's so many things you can do with it. So just kind of think about that. So now that I have added my tags, and I would do the same for the for the gas and the solid. And once I'm done, I'm going to click next. Now the first thing it does is it tells me to add my title. So I'm just going to add my title, States of Matter. And one thing I want to suggest is to always tell your students to click on Unlist on Thinglink.com. And this will keep your students' work off of the Thinglink public site. And that keeps it from being commented on and all that. So here I've already added my title. I've got it unlisted. And then I click Save. So now you'll see it's uploading onto my dashboard. So now, after it's uploaded, I'm going to tap on it again. So we're going to talk about the process of turning it in, how the student will turn this work into you. Now you'll know that it's, as you can see right here in the top right hand corner up here, when I tapped on it, let me go back out, that little lock on there, that shows that it's unlisted, that it's not public. So I've got and you'll see here if I tap on it, you see how the tabs pop up. Okay. So once I tap on my option, again, they can always go in and make any edits. But I'll see here the little share button down here on the very bottom. So if I click share, and it has the option for Classroom. So if you had it as an assignment in your Google Classroom, the students can just click Classroom, upload their assignment, and you have their work there. Now, sometimes that's not as seamless as you want it to be, and especially when you think about the different types of learners you have in the classroom and what's easy for them and what's not. And also what you may want to do with the Thinglinks afterwards. You may want kids to choose a couple and get feedback. Now, in order to do that, another option is to just have them to post their link, and that way the kids can click on the specific link as a class and look at some of their peers' work. So then you can have them open it into Safari. You open it in Safari and actually tap, copy the link, and paste it. And you could use a Google form, or you could just have them paste it into the comment section of a post in Google Classroom. And you can do it that way as well. This depends on what works best for you and your students. So those are some of the ways that you can have the students to share their Thinglink. So hopefully that has helped you understand exactly what Thinglink does and what you can do with it. So there are so many things out there and so many resources that are available. So I'm going to quickly show you some of these Thinglink resources. I've just got a couple of links here. If you go to thinglink.com/edu, they have a whole lot of resources for you. commonsense.org. You can click on that, check that out. I'm just going to go to that one real quick. What I love about this is it's going to give you how teachers have used it and other ways that they've done, that they've used it in the classroom, and give you samples of their lesson plans on different ways. And as you can see here, they've done a lot of app smashing with Thinglink here as well. And then another one, the last one, is enhancing students' learning experiences using Thinglink. Now, I hope that you've enjoyed this session on Sparking Creativity with App Smashing, Pick Collage, and Thinglink. If you have any more questions or you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact me at elivingston@horrycountyschools.net or your Schools Digital Integration Specialist. Thank you.